Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Fiat 500 window. First, let's diagnose the problem. Common issues include the window moving slowly, making unusual noises, or not moving at all. Begin by checking the window switch. Sometimes a faulty switch is the culprit. Listen carefully for any motor sounds when you press the switch, as this can indicate whether the motor is receiving power. To access the window mechanism, you'll need to remove the interior door panel. Start by locating and removing any visible screws, often found behind trim pieces or inside the door handle. Gently pry off the panel using a trim removal tool to avoid damage. Disconnect all electrical connectors for the window switch and speaker, then set the panel aside safely. Once the door panel is off, you can inspect the window motor and regulator. Look for any broken cables, bent tracks, or signs of corrosion. If the motor isn't responding, it likely needs replacement. Disconnect the old motor, install the new one, and reattach the wiring. Also, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the window tracks and moving parts for smoother operation. Before fully reassembling, connect the window switch and test the window's up and down movement. Ensure it operates smoothly and fully. Once confirmed, carefully reattach all electrical connectors to the door panel. Align the door panel clips with their corresponding slots and firmly press it back into place. Finally, reinstall all screws and trim pieces to complete the repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.